We made it, y'all. I'm super excited about 2019. 2018 was so busy for me. Exciting, busy, but busy. I have a new planner business, like the ultimate soap maker business planner. I'm so excited about. And it is in digital version. There will also be some PDF printables. They will not be a standard like structured planner, but they're more like planner pages that you can then create your own planner with a 3-ring binder or however you decide to bind those together. I'm excited for you guys to see all the things you could do in a digital planner without all of the extra paperwork, because we already have enough going on, right? We have so much material that we order and purchase and need and use and don't need but buy. And so the last thing we need is to also pile up a whole bunch of unnecessary paper. So if you guys are interested in sharing this journey with me and also creating this journey for yourself, then please stay tuned. And thank you guys so much for your support. Happy New Year to all of you business gals and guys out there. I hope you guys a successful and amazing 2019. And let's get into the video because I'm talking too much, as I always do. Bye, y'all. Hey guys, so I am assuming you guys have downloaded your GoodNotes app and you've downloaded your new planner of choice, whether it's the customizable one or the already pre-filled one. You will notice I have the pre-filled, the customizable, and then the Rose Gold Glam sticker book. So let's go through the Rose Gold Glam sticker book first so you guys can get an idea of what that looks like. At the beginning of your sticker book, you will see it's a blank sticker book, and then you'll get 2 blank pages on the inside. Then we start at our actual stickers. So I have the round stickers with that are calendar stickers for you if you like to brain dump that way. We've got focus boards. We've got our month calendar spreads and business at a glance. We've got blank papers and finance forms. We have our inventory forms and our product planner. Then we have our booth planner, which I think will be great if you do events and things like that to help you get structured. Our batch records and our marketing forms. And then we've got our stickers. So we've got our dividers, some flags, and fun little different decor. And then we've got our stickers. And I'm actually going to show you guys how you can use your dividers in order to create your cover for your sticker book. So what I'm doing here, if you look at the very top, you'll notice that there are some little tabs at the top. I'm actually clicking on the lasso tool, circling the divider I want to use, and I'm copying it. I'm going to the front of the book, to that front page, and I'm actually going to paste it onto the board here. Now I'm going to resize so that I can actually blow it up and make it large enough that it will fit onto my cover top. And it's that easy. And you would go through, especially if you have the customizable page, you would go through and just do this same thing, and you would cut and you would paste your documents into your form. So it is that easy. So now that we're finished using or going through our Rose Gold Glam sticker book, we're going to actually look at the preset business planner. This is the front cover. Like I said, you could actually change your cover if you'd like, and start off with a welcome page and a little inspirational quote. And then we go into our table of contents. So with the pre-filled ones, they automatically already have filled out tabs, and then there's some blank tabs which you could actually dedicate to whatever you want. All of those areas, the pink ones and the little squares, are clickable, so you can click on those in order to gain access to whatever part of your planner that you want to have access to, whether it's your business at a glance, your finance and inventory. All these are clickable. And then we have three tabs that you can actually create whatever it is that you want. And I tried to give you guys at least 6 areas that you could, add or use it to click on. Let's go to the next page, which is My Business at a Glance and our business goals. And this is a great starting point to kind of either list out your information for your business or to create if it's a brand new business. So now we're going to go through and I'm going to show you what this book looks like from tab to tab. And of course we have our year at a glance, and then we already saw our business at a glance. And I also kind of lightly put in some suggestive things that you could put in, and that's those sections of the book. So now we're into January, and all of our tabs on the far right hand side that list the months are clickable. So when you click on each of those months, it will take you to the front of those months. I did not do clickable dailies and clickable weeklies, just so that it wouldn't be such a big document that it took forever to download. So what you would do is you would either click on your tabs on the top or your tabs on the sides, depending on where you want to go in your book. At the top, which is also clickable, we have our finance, our inventory, our project planner, our batch records, our marketing, and then 3 tabs that you, like I said before, can create at your leisure, whatever you want. You can also actually scroll through the entire book by using the the 4 little squares that you see in the far left hand corner. So we're going to start with finance, so you can kind of see what our finance sheets look like. We've got our year at a glance and our financial plan worksheets. These are going to be great when you're trying to plan out your year or your month. We've got our expense sheets and our income sales sheets, our bill payments and our mileage log, our tax tracker, which is great especially with taxes starting to be required from more and more states. And now we're on our inventory tab, which is of course also located at the top, so you can gain access to it. We've got our product list to start with, so you can list off all of your products, your shipment log and your supply order, so you can order what you need and you can keep track of when they're coming in. Your materials and your packaging inventory, your colorant and fragrance list, and lastly, your equipment inventory sheets. So now we're at the project planner section here, which is also on the tab is listed above. And this is where you kind of plan out your products. So you have a vision board, a design board, a product list, and then you've got a production worksheet, which is fabulous. Your booth planner and the event checklist, and then you've got a blank page following. Now we're into our batch records. The batch records are actually necessary so that you can document every one of your batches. So you really want to work with batch numbers, and it basically keeps and holds account of in case you mess up or there's any recall necessary or anything like that. Now we're at the marketing tab. Now the marketing tab is designed for social media tracking and your hashtags, contests, and giveaway plans. And then of course your contest and giveaway logs and coupon codes. Your photo shoot planner, so that you make sure you take all of your product photos. And lastly is all of the 3 tabs that are left. So that is our already preset planner. Your customizable planner is going to be completely blank. This is designed so that you can create it however you want to. Now, I did keep the finance, inventory, project planner, batch records, and marketing in all of your months all already strategically placed. But outside of that, you have free reign, and you can put them in any order that you prefer. You can add the documents you want and not have to worry about having documents you don't want. And so I'm just showing you here, all of the pages are blank, and you just literally go through and make it whatever you want. And this is the one I recommend because you can customize it. The only thing that is preset in here is your daily and your weekly calendar spread. I hope that you guys found this helpful, and I hope that it's exciting for you and you are interested. And I hope to see you guys in the next video when we plan together, because the next goal is to show you guys how I'm structuring my planner. Until next time, thanks. Bye.